Yes, now we are going to start an exercise. Exercise contains only 7 to 8 questions. Okay? And only one or two I'm going to solve. Remaining you are trying. Yes, you can do with the help of table. Table. चलो start करें? चलो begin. Yes. Okay, now can you see my question? This is table. If you want, you can jot down. Yes. And now my question. See, this is the first question. Swati is working with her sister. Swati part is very easy. So I just written noun. Okay, Swati is a noun. So underline it and it is noun. Now is. Search that. Where is is? Is here. That is helping verb. Right? So I have just written HV. HV bole to helping verb. Fine. Next word is working. Now working तो ing लगाया है. Just search where is ing. Yes, it's an action word, that is verb. So working is a verb. So I'll write here verb. Clear? After that, with. Search where is with. Where is with? With. Yeah, it's here. That's a preposition. Correct. Preposition. So I'll write here prepo. Okay, short form. After that, her. Where is her? Look at the table. Everything is based on table. Her. Here. That's a pronoun. That's a pronoun. So I'll write here pronoun. After that, sister. Sister is obviously noun. Okay, so first answer is done. After that, second question is started. What is second question? Yes, Karan was preparing cake in the kitchen. Karan. Proper noun है ना? So that's a noun. I will just write N only now. Was. Yeah, it's a turn of was. Where is was? Search. Table में searching करना है. Was, yes, it's here. It's a helping verb. So I will write here helping verb. Fine. After that, preparing. Yes, preparing ing again, and it's an action. It's an action, so it will be obviously verb. Right? After that, cake. खाना है? Okay, it's a noun. After that, yes, it's a turn of in. In search, where is in where it is in. Yes, it is here. That's a preposition. That's a preposition, so I'll write here prepo. Fine. After that, the is there. The is an article, so it is not a part of a speech, so just omit that part. Kitchen. Kitchen is noun. Remember one rule again. कोई भी आर्टिकल हो, ए एंड द, कोई भी आर्टिकल हो, आफ्टर दैट एनी वर्ड इज फॉलोड, दैट इज ऑलवेज नाउन. इज दिस क्लियर? व्हाट आई सेड आई रिपीट अगेन कि एनी आर्टिकल ए एन और द, if that is followed by, sorry, that is always followed by noun. Fine. And now moving over to next question. Rakesh is working very hard in the office. Rakesh. Rakesh is noun. Don't say it's a proper noun and all. We are not classifying in on that basis. Now we are just classifying as noun, pronoun, so. Right? After that, is कहाँ पर है हमारा in this chart? Yes, it's here. It's a helping verb. It's a helping verb. Every time it's not so that helping verb will come. It's not so. Working again. So ing आया. That's a verb. Now very hard. Yes, this time very. Where is very? I just told exceptional cases. Very hard. Very deep. That is adverb. That is adverb. So I'll write here adverb. ADV means adverb. Okay. After that in. Yes, we have done in. In hai na after in. Where is in? Yes, it's here in. Preposition. So I'll write here only prepo. Prepo. Again, it's a turn of the. Just omit it because it is an article. Right? After article, if any word comes, क्या होता है वो? Yes, same rule. It's a noun. It's a noun. Generally, any sentence starts with noun and ends with noun. Okay? Most of the time, not always. Yeah, I think there is no doubt in first three. Moving over to next. Train was running very fast on the track. Train. Train is a, obviously it's a noun. Was. Where is was? ये है ना हमारा helping verb. Helping verb. Running. It's an action. So verb. Verb or helping verb हमेशा together. They are always together. Fine. After that, as I already told, कि very fast. What is that? Yes, it's a adverb. After that, on. On is, what's on? Yes, it's a preposition. On is a preposition. So I'll write here prepo. Then the. The क्या है? Of course, article. Omit it. Omit it. It's not a part of speech. And after that, it's a noun. The के बाद कुछ भी आए तो noun. Fine. Now switching over to next question. Alas, he could not win the race. Alas, matlab he's so sad. He could not win the race. Now, yeah, this symbol, you have to search this symbol. That is, sorry, that is, where is this symbol? Here it is, interjection. So I'll write, underline that and write there INTER, interjection. Fine. After that, he came. He. Where is he? Yes, it's here. That's a pronoun. That's a pronoun. So, yeah, he is a pronoun. I will write here pronoun. Now, one more. Could not. ये could not be not जो है ना, that's a model auxiliary. Okay, so this is not a part of parts of speech. Omit that. जैसे कि we have omitted the, at least from this topic, could not be omit करना है. Fine. After that, win. Yeah, winning. That's win means action verb. So it's a verb. The आ गया फिर से, omit it, and the is always followed by noun. Fine? Yes. So we have finished 5 questions. Moving over to question number 6. I hope you are doing with me. At least concentrating here. At least you're concentrating here, right? We should do good exercise daily. Yeah, part of a lifestyle, na? We have to do. We. Where is we in the chart? We, yeah, here. Here. This is pronoun. What's that? It's a pronoun. So I will write here मतलब pronoun. Okay, I'll write full form. Preposition और ये गलत ना हो जाए. After that, should. Should, could, ये सब auxiliaries category है. Just omit that. Do. To do matlab we have to do. That's an action. So it's a verb here. Okay, this is verb here. Good exercise. कैसा वाला? Good exercise. Can you see this word? Good. How? Good. So it's a adjective. It's an adjective. ADJ. Exercise is a noun and daily. Ly, if it ends with ly, ly is always adverb. If it ends with ly, this is always adverb. So this is adverb, right? Actually, it is adverb of time, but we are not concerned with adverb of time and all. Okay. Now remaining only one question will be your homework. Actually, I have one more question. My daddy was late because he had lot of work in the office. These two questions are for you. I'm not going to write these answers because it's easy. I've given chart. Chart method is easiest method. Okay? Okay, now ending my lecture here. If you have any doubt, you can WhatsApp me accordingly. Drop a comment, whichever is convenient to you. Sorry. Okay, whichever is convenient to you, you can do that. Fine. And one more thing, please read this chart on daily basis so that you can easily understand and remember. And one more thing, like me, subscribe me, and what? Share. Yes. Bye bye. Take care.